At John Deere, we design equipment for the rental industry. We get customer feedback both from the rental industry, but then also from the industries they're renting to understand what do renters need in a piece of construction equipment. In the rental industry, it's just critical that the equipment's transportable because the people that are going to be using it aren't always in the day-to-day business of running, operating, and transporting equipment. And they could have a short-term need for construction equipment. So it might not be their day-to-day job to get that equipment to and from the job site, but they need equipment where they can do that safely, easily, and intuitively. So we've designed equipment in sizes that make it easy to trailer, and the maneuverability and the visibility on it make it easy to load and unload. And most importantly, the tie-down locations are easy to access, they're intuitive to find. John Deere equipment is configured with safe, secure tie-down locations in the front and rear corners of the machine, and it's designed to be easy to get to, and they comply with all the regulations. Our G-Series small frame skid steers and our mini excavators, 35 and smaller, have light enough operating weights that they can be easily trailered at under 10,000 pounds. This is an important consideration for renters to keep in mind, just to make sure that they're street legal when they're transporting equipment from the rental center to the job site. One of the things renters need is simple, intuitive controls, and you'll find that throughout the John Deere product line, but especially in the new G-Series compact track loaders and skid steers. We recognize that sometimes people operating equipment are professionals, and sometimes they're not as familiar with equipment operation. So having equipment that's intuitive with predictable controls will help make them more productive, and it'll help make them safer operators too. John Deere has a long commitment to working with independent rental companies, and it's a real safe and viable option for someone that needs a short-term usage of a piece of equipment. You can count on them to have well-maintained equipment and provide the expertise of how it needs to be transported safely.